Life in the Jungle by Brainer Wild.
As the first light of day touches the forest, the jungle slowly awakens from its silent night. Golden rays pass through dense canopies, revealing a world filled with moisture, life, and movement.
Insects begin their day, frogs retreat to shelter, and small mammals emerge cautiously.
Rivers become gathering places, offering life-giving water to the jungle's inhabitants.
High above, monkeys greet the morning, leaping through branches with energy and sound.
The jungle is built in layers, from dark forest floors to sunlit treetops.
Vines, moss, and creepers wrap around ancient trees, forming a living network.
Rain, heat, and sunlight work together to sustain this rich ecosystem.
Hidden among the greenery are plants with powerful medicinal properties.
Fallen leaves decay, feeding the soil and giving birth to new life.
Herbivores graze peacefully, constantly alert to unseen danger.
Monkeys search for fruits and insects, using intelligence and agility to survive.
Birds carefully build nests, preparing safe homes for future generations.
Reptiles absorb warmth from the sun, conserving energy for survival.
Insects pollinate plants, quietly supporting the jungle's growth.
Silent and patient, predators move with precision through dense vegetation. Perfect camouflage allows some hunters to disappear into their surroundings.
From above, a predator watches, waiting for the perfect moment.
Predators play a vital role, keeping populations balanced.
Prey animals rely on speed, awareness, and instinct to stay alive.
Monsoon rains transform the jungle, renewing life and reshaping landscapes. Rivers swell, carrying nutrients deep into the forest.
Animals seek shelter as storms pass through.
Seasonal changes affect food availability and migration patterns.
After rain, fungi and mushrooms emerge, recycling nutrients. Ants demonstrate teamwork, lifting weights far greater than themselves.
Termites construct massive structures that reshape the land.
Bees transfer pollen, ensuring plant reproduction.
Decomposers break down waste, keeping the jungle clean. Frogs help control insect populations near water.
Rivers support life above and below the surface.
Along riverbanks, powerful reptiles rest and observe.
Hidden waterfalls nourish plants and animals alike.
Water connects every living being in the jungle.
During dry seasons, water becomes a shared lifeline.
Indigenous communities live in harmony with the forest.
Their hunting methods respect balance, and necessity.
Shelters are built using nature's materials.
Humans have long learned survival by observing animals. Resources are taken carefully, ensuring future availability. Wildfires threaten habitats and lives. Illegal logging destroys centuries of growth in moments. Animals are forced to flee shrinking territories.
Climate change alters rainfall and temperature patterns. Conservation efforts offer hope for survival.
As daylight fades, the jungle begins to slow. Birds return to nests as the sun sets. Daytime creatures retreat to rest.
Shadows stretch across the forest floor. A brief calm settles before night.
Night awakens a different world. Owls hunt silently under moonlight.
Fireflies illuminate the darkness.
Predators rely on sound and scent. Bats take flight, guiding themselves by echo. Under moonlight, hunters move again.
The jungle hums with nocturnal sounds.
Animals communicate through calls and movement.
Stars peek through the canopy above.
Every creature has a place in the food chain.
Life here is deeply interconnected.
Nature controls itself through balance.
Even after destruction, life returns. The jungle heals with time. Protected sanctuaries preserve biodiversity.
Scientists observe without interference.
Responsible tourism supports conservation. Jungles help regulate Earth's climate. Reforestation restores lost habitats.
Patience often determines survival.
Teamwork strengthens even the smallest creatures. Adaptability is key to life.
Intelligence often outweighs strength.
Coexistence ensures survival. Life moves in endless cycles.
Newborns take their first steps.
Ancient trees stand as witnesses of time. The jungle breathes with life. The jungle is a world within itself. It protects the planet silently.
To protect nature is to protect ourselves.
Hope grows through conservation.
Harmony exists where balance is respected.
The cycle begins again with sunrise.
Life continues, unaware of time.
The jungle is alive.
It endures. It endures.
Jungles maintain global balance.
Wezigo Dangor Joe, crossing. They teach us how to live.
Respect sustains life.
Wisdom exists in silence.
Future generations must protect this world.
Peace thrives where forests remain untouched.
Humans are part of nature. Coexistence is survival.
Life continues without end.
The jungle stands eternal.